In a world where almost every car has two pedals, the clutch pedal is the gateway to a more involved and mechanical driving experience that many enthusiasts still swear by. Located on the far left of the footwell in a manual transmission car, this pedal is your direct link to the connection between the engine and the wheels. When you push the clutch pedal down, you are physically separating the engine's power from the transmission, which allows you to slide the gear shifter into a new position without grinding any metal. The moment you start to let the pedal back up, you reach what we call the bite point, where the friction disc starts to grab the flywheel and the car begins to move forward. Learning to master this smooth release is the secret to being a great driver. But the pedal can also tell you a lot about the health of your vehicle. If you notice that the pedal is starting to feel incredibly stiff, you might be looking at a frayed cable or a failing release bearing. On the other hand, if the car does not start moving until the pedal is almost all the way at the top, your clutch disc is likely worn thin and will need to be replaced soon. You should also listen for any weird noises or feel for vibrations when your foot is on the pedal, as these are early warning signs that something in the linkage needs attention. Treating your clutch with respect by not riding it at stoplights will ensure it lasts for a long time, giving you total control over every shift and every mile of the road. Baked